So in this video we will see that how we can show our FPS value, which is nothing but frame per second, in a live video or in our simple directory video. Local directory video. So for that, first we have to import our CV2. Second one is we have to import our time. So for that I am initializing my class CV2.videoCapture. Now we are using our built-in cameras, because of that we are using 0. Now we have to initialize two variables, which is something about our first underscore frame. First it will be equal to 0. Then we have our next underscore frame. It will be also 0 initially, but in a loop it will change internally. So we have to take a loop while true. Now it, as we know, it will give our two values. If we are going to read our camera, now it will be video dot read. Now we can say if our ret equal to true. Now we can say our next underscore frame equal to time dot time. Now we have to put a formula of FPS value, which is nothing but it should be integer. Because of that we are taking int, so it should be 1 divided by our next frame minus our first frame. So we have to take a minus over here. So it is a simple formula. So now we can say our first frame will be equal to our next frame. Because suppose if our frame is passed, so it will be a previous image for with respect to our next image. Because of that we have to initialize our first frame will be equal to our next frame. So we have to write, we have to show our FPS value in our video also. So we are using over here put text over here. So now we can pass our frame here. After that we can say in a string, so it should be a string. So FPS. Now we have to give our origin. It is nothing but our coordinates. Now in our font face, we can give our coordinates with, I'm giving like 10 comma 150. Now we are giving over here font. For that cv.font, we can give any font. Okay, I'm giving my plain. So for now we have, after that we have to give our uh, what was that, now thickness or font scale we can say. So I'm giving my 3, suppose. Now we have to provide our color. Now for the color we can give any value like 166, 135, like 245. Now finally we have to provide our thickness. Now we are using our, suppose only this. Now we have to provide our thickness over here. So after this we have to simple say im.show cv2.imshow. Inside this show we are giving my frames. Now we are passing our frame. Now we have to quit this window also. For that we are using cv2.wait key. If it is equal to 27, 27 is nothing but our escape button, so it should be break the loop. Okay, now release my camera. After that, we have to destroy all our windows. So now we are going to execute this. Now as you can see, it is showing my frames. Now my frames are not correct. Let's see. Okay, so now it was just a simple mistake over here. We have to put extra brackets over here. Now let's see execute this. Now as you can see, it is showing me the correct values of our frames. Now what if I want that in my video, local directory video? For that we have to first exit this. Suppose we want this on my video. So we have to copy all the code. Now we have to just paste it over here. Now inside this we have to just write my video name. Suppose okay, I'm using my this video. If you don't know about this, please go and check my previous videos. Now we have to execute this. As you can see how fast it is. So yeah, for that, please subscribe the channel. In my next video, I will try to make a UI of a flask for my to click the pictures from my webcam with the help of flask. For that, please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.